that's for sure. We got another round of showers yesterday in our place. So let's check in with Rob right now and find out if we got more to come today.
Yeah, I think we do have more to come. I think something similar to what we had yesterday, maybe a little bit less activity on the radar, but still enough to get a couple of good waves of showers. Going to have lots of clouds again, starting muggy. Top temperatures likely will stay in the 80s, all depending on how long it takes to get more showers into more areas. Maybe we see a few spots start to get a little closer towards 90 as we slowly begin to remove some of the rain chances. Now, it's not going to be clear, it's not going to be bright, it's not going to be dry. We've got lots of muggy and unsettled, but I do think as we go through these next couple of days, there should start to be fewer showers around the region. Right now, that radar picture, it's active, not maybe as much as it was this time yesterday. I see a few more showers around Perry and not too far from Keaton Beach up against the Taylor County coastline. There's a couple of sprinkles just south of Wakulla and Franklin County, and these again are moving mostly from south and west to north and east. We are still bottled up in this very warm, humid, unstable air mass where it doesn't take much to shake the showers out of the clouds. And I think for a lot of us, there's going to be more and more showers again throughout the morning and afternoon and evening. Not all the time nonstop rain. There'll be lots of windows where it's not raining out there. Plenty of hours where it's just damp outside. But I think the overall pattern is still for plenty of showers. And that means we've got to have the wet weather gear ready. It's 82 this morning at Apalachicola. Everybody else in the 70s. Albany's at 78 degrees. It's 75 for Bainbridge and Camilla, 73 for Quincy and for Thomasville. Tallahassee and Madison checking in at 74 this morning. There isn't much of a breeze out there to stir things up, so we're going to be on the lookout for some of that fog. Remember, all this moisture just lingering in the air. That lends itself to some pretty thick fog development, so we'll watch and we'll see how the visibilities are impacted this morning. Futurecast wants to get us through the morning into the afternoon. Maybe not as much early onset showers, but I think there's still going to be plenty before lunch and then more after lunch. So got to count on those showers from time to time today. Same situation out across the Atlantic, the Gulf and the Caribbean. A whole lot of nothing out there. Maybe some of those hiccups coming off the coast of Africa starting to show maybe a little bit of life, but so far so good, the way we like to see the tropics nice and quiet. For the next couple of days, it's still about the showers, it's still about the muggy, and it's going to start getting hotter. I think as we slowly start to pare down some of the rain chances. We're not removing them from the forecast. It's not going to all of a sudden be dry and bright and clear, but I think over the next few days, we start to expect a little less activity on the radar, fewer showers, more space between. That will give us the chance to get at least a little bit of sunshine at times. It's also going to give us the chance to watch those temperatures climb. Maybe we don't get to 90 today or even tomorrow, but I think we do get back into the 90s by the weekend. And when we do, maybe those numbers climb way up into the 90s.